Today I'm going to show you how to unlock a Chevy Silverado with a Slim Jim, or show you how a Slim Jim works. If you instead of these guys here, they actually come in a couple different sizes. If you look here, it's kind of a smaller one, but this one's actually been pre-bent. I've already bent it. You gotta kind of have to bend these things for what application you're going to use it on. This one is bent for Chevy Silverado. I'll show you that here in a second. But on the tip here, this is actually the side or the style of Slim Jim you're going to need to use to open up a Silverado. Basically, your first steps are going to be, especially with this, with this truck here, is you can do this with this molding on the truck, but I don't recommend it. It'll be kind of hard. Okay, this molding actually just pops right up and pulls right off. I'm actually going to put some tape here because I don't want to scratch the window. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and lock it. All right. Kind of playing around with the tape. Hopefully you can see that. Okay, so I don't want to scratch it up. But I'll go and show you real quick how to use this thing. So again, it's pre-bit. All right, I'm going to stick this in pretty much right where the GM signal is at. Okay. Okay, and then you're going to feel how it actually kind of stops on its own. It's a little springy down there. And then it kind of has some play in here, and you're going to slide the bottom of it this way. Okay. So what you're trying to do is there's a rod here that connects that stick or this indicator to the actual latch that's in the door. And you're trying to grab it and pull it up. So you're going to have this floating. You're going to slide it over the side, and you're going to yank on it up like in this motion here. Alright guys, so I'll go ahead and show you what it looks like on the inside of the door panel. Go in, bounces. Okay, there you go, it's unlocked right there. And you can see how it's grabbed it down there. Okay, and at this point, you have to open it up. Okay, because it's unlocked. Because if you move the stick down, it's going to lock it. So, look. Okay. So if I want to disconnect it or pull the stick back out, it might lock it. So and I'll show you one more time. Right here where the GM emblem is. Again, it's gonna bounce. Okay, go. So you can move it like this. Move it over to the right. Okay, all you gotta do is go. Okay, then you actually have it hooked. Okay, and you can work on it. I'll go ahead and show you the measurements on the Slim Jim. Yeah, well, 24 inches long. About 2 foot. A 2 foot long Slim Jim. And the bend itself, you want to start bending it at about 5.5 inches. Is where you kind of want the bend to start, okay? You're going to have to bend it till you kind of get it, but about 5.5 inches. Alright guys, well that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, do me a favor and hit that thumbs up. If it helped you out, do me a favor, hit the thumbs up. And yeah, if you need to get some Slim Jims or anything like that, I'll leave links down in the description box below. And you guys take care. Be safe.